Hey guys, welcome to Making Stuff with Adi. I'm Adi and today we're going to make some bracelets based on the Spider-Man web shooters. So let's get right into it. The materials I will be using are some super glue, 3mm thick foam sheets, precision cutter, and velcro strips. First, we'll start with the foam base. I've taken two rectangles of foam of width 3 inches or 7.5 centimeters and length 20 centimeters. The length is taken according to your wrist length and adding 2 inches or 5 centimeters to it. I am taking two rectangles as I'm making one for each hand. This is what they look like after cutting. Now we move on to the Spider-Man logo. I personally prefer the homecoming one. You could use any one of them. One piece of advice: use extremely thin paper for making your template. I used thick paper and they came out jagged. Now for the actual assembly part. I will be using super glue for assembling the spider logo onto the band. Please use the super glue with extreme caution. For making this into a wearable band, I will be using velcro strips. The 2 inches that you left earlier along the wrist length will be used in this. Mark 1 inch sections on both ends of the band. One on the top side and one on the bottom. Stick the opposite ends of the velcro strips on the two parts that you just marked out. Now we will be putting in the finishing touches. I have decided to go simplistic. You can do any finishing touches that you want, like putting web patterns in the empty area or the Spider-Man face logo, etc. I have opted to put two horizontal strips at the ends of the band, one straight strip at the bottom and two pointed strips at the top to accommodate the logo. I made another one for the other hand. Here they are completed. Thanks for watching.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me.